Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Audi A3. Over to the phone, onto settings. We would need to go to, well, I'll just do that, onto settings. Then we need to select Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is green there, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Sometimes it will just come up automatically, but over here you need telephone, so you click this button back, connect mobile phone, select again, that says continue, so select again, Audi MMI 8161, that's what we want, and Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, so click on that. That's thinking about it. There you go. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro is requesting to connect to the MMI. Accept. Yes. Does this pin match the pin on your Bluetooth device? Yes, it does. And now we can click pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. And if we just go to the top, Audi MMI connected. Connection's been established. You'll see there it was established for also audio and the mobile. That's how you do that.